And when we talk about selling these cars or bringing these cars to auction, these cars make more money than they really should do because there's an experiential benefit of somebody buying that project and returning it to its former glory. Really, cars like stamps, like watches, like coins are just assets. They're just pieces of material. But what makes us love them is some sort of emotional connection, some sort of experiential benefit. You know, for me, finding those cars, there's a real experiential buzz of finding gold in the riverbed, you know, finding a gem somewhere where you wouldn't think you'd find it.